Thanks for training with me. And don't forget to pick up copies of my books, Pilates for Athletes and Power Yoga for Athletes. The link to order both books is below.
I'm going back to Houston. My friends, Coach Vigue, Vogue, but with an I. This is all about loosening up your upper body. Too much sitting lately. At home, at the office. Watching TV, binge watching The Office, are we? Or just driving a lot. Get a lot of requests for this one. So this is all very gentle stretches. You can do them from a seated position. You can do them from a standing position. Just make sure, as always, you do them. And I always like to ask a question also. It kind of ties into what we're doing. Oh, don't want to cover up the AirPod. That was a close one. Enjoy my driveway, by the way. The question today, as you can comment below, is what's your favorite musical artist to listen to while stretching? I will tell you mine at the end of this session. I'm sure you can't wait. This reflector is here so I don't roll over the hill. It can get pretty dangerous. Again, sitting cross-legged, legs in front of you, standing, however you want to do it. We're going to loosen up that upper body, get some better posture, get blood flowing, and you're going to feel a heck of a lot better. So glad you clicked on this video. All right, seated position. Let's focus on breath first, breathing in the nose and out the nose. Would you believe it that proper deep breathing really releases the body? It stretches you, it lifts you, it aligns you, and it actually works your core down here. Gives you a lot more energy and focus. Take your fingers right here underneath the rib cage on your diaphragm. Inhale through the nose. We're going to breathe out. You want to breathe outward, pooch it. Stretch those ribs, and then exhale through the nose. Bring it all back in. Shoulders back and down. When you breathe, proper deep breathing is very loose up here. Chest is open, shoulders are down, no tension in the neck or face. It's all in here. And you can really fill and empty the lungs. Exhale all of it out. And it makes you lose the ability to speak coherently. 2 more breaths right here. Good. Out. Work the breathing muscles. Exhale. Bring it all back in. Practice this throughout the day. If you feel tight or tense, work on your breath. All right. Shoulder rolls. Inhale, lift. Exhale back. Working on a big report, take a few moments to do these stretches. Or a little report, that's fine. Shoulders, lift them up, drop them down so we avoid this hinging thing that just kills our breath and saps all our energy and our ability to function. 2 more times. Oh, love that. Place the hand down, little side bends. That's too much, place the hand here or on the armrest, whatever it is. If you have a lazy boy like George Costanza, you can take something out of the fridge first and then do this. Okay. I just taught, and we were discussing Seinfeld episodes, how they pertain to movement and fitness, because they seem to pertain to every other social situation. Why not movement? Back and forth, exhale to the side. Now watch this. This arm is up and over, up and over. Always relishing and lifting into these movements. 1 more time each side. Boss comes in, like, what the hell are you doing? It's okay, I'm stretching. Let's all do it together. Take the arms up. Cactus arms. You follow me, you train with me. I add these to everything. Let's take the palms out. Shoulders back, elbows back, and you're sinking the shoulders down slowly. You can do a few repetitions like this, arms up, exhale down, or just hold as you gently pull them back. You want to open the chest, not just so you can see the website, but you want to open it up. Open up the breath, sink the shoulders down, take pressure off the chest. All right, shake it out. Shake out the legs too while you're at it. I don't binge watch The Office. I binge watch Mystery Science Theater 3000. I have to. Last night was Werewolf and Mitchell. Thanks, Sean. Thanks for letting me know that. All right, legs are crossed again. We're standing. Next one is cat-cow. Place your, let's start here. Hands on the knees. We're going to open the chest. So hinge forward. Look at this. We're going to exhale forward. And then inhale. Draw the elbows for the shoulders forward and hollow out the abs. Actually, let's switch to that breath. Let's inhale forward. I tricked you. And then exhale, round it back. Squeeze out the breath. There we go. Great for spinal articulation. You might get some people call them crunchies. They're really cavitations in the spine, adjustments in layman's terms. Forward and then back. So getting these gentle stretches on the spine. The string has to be down here. It can't be up there. Oh, Sean, what are you doing? Was magst du here? Back. Let's do it 2 more times each way. Oh, very nice. A whole routine without even leaving your chair, perhaps. That's up to you. That's up to you. Once the video goes out there, once this routine goes out, it's yours. Do with it what you will. All right, now sitting tall. Shoulders back and down, abs are pulled in on the exhale. Get used to this posture. If you're typing, if you're watching TV, you're driving, you're always here. Well, 2 and 10. Did my driver's ed teacher hear that? Okay. 2 and 10. We're always sitting tall. Even if you have a cell phone, you're looking at a phone. Not this. Oh my goodness. This, nice and tall. I already said that. All right, hands to the knees. Let's circle. We're going to exhale forward, kind of adding on to what we did with the cat-cow. We're going to round back. Inhale forward, exhale back. We're doing some nice churning. I like that, like churning butter. Churning the lower back, improving some circulation, some movement. You may not be able to get out and move, like go for a walk or go to the gym, but in a small space, look at all the beautiful things we can do. Just have to be creative and set aside the time. All right, I'm going to switch the legs, other direction with the circles. Keep the face loose, the jaw relaxed. Oh, very nice. Let's do 2 more. Noch 2 mehr. Keep that breath in the nose, out the nose. If it falters, focus on in the nose, out the mouth. But as always, make sure you're really aware of the rhythm of the breath. All right, and then back to the center, shake it out again. All right, we're doing well. The shakeouts are very important too. That's not just a side thing, that's main. When in doubt, shake out the arms, shake out the wrists, the fingers, the toes. These are things you can do. It's okay to do these. Give yourself permission to take these breaks. All right, next on the list is the, can't even read my writing. We're gonna lace the fingers together behind us, called a mudra. And then drop the shoulders down. If you have a mirror, you can turn on your webcam maybe, or wherever you are. Line up the shoulders. I can't see it right now. My left shoulder sometimes goes higher than my right and cause problems over time. Sink them down. If you like to add a little movement, you would exhale forward. And then inhale, lift into that back bend. That's up to you. Getting some nice movement and engagement in your core muscles, your abdominals, your lower back, your hips, and your glutes. Oh, I wrote shoulder. If you can't read your own handwriting, you're really in trouble. 2 more times, or hold. Lots of breath. Don't forget, stretch out the ribs, breathing outward, laterally. Okay, bring the arm across. Here's your shoulder stretch. We bring it across, a little movement up and down. If you like, you could drop your head away from that shoulder, getting the extra stretch down the trap and the neck. Mobility in the shoulders. They can freeze up very quickly without proper movement. What are you doing there, Sean? Well, I'm just lifting my arm up and down, having a good time. All right, other side. Good. Okay. Bringing it across, nice movement down the anterior part of the shoulder, creeping into the sides and the posterior. Whose arm is this? All right. Okay, let's shake it out once again. We'll come to the big finale. You enjoying this so far? Look forward to hearing what you think of it. Share it with your friends, family, workmates if you're in an office. I know a lot of people are at home, but maybe you're on a Zoom call and you can say, hey, they're going to ask you what your secret is, why you have all this extra energy and focus and, balance in the body. All right, eagle. Eagle stretch, classic yoga one. Let me do a little side angle here. So take your right arm forward, left arm underneath. We're gonna wrap around. The goal is to bring the hands together. Some of you, oh, I just heard a few of you go, no way. It's fine. Take the fists together right here. We start here. We start somewhere, don't we? All right. Again, seated or standing, wherever you are. Don't do this when you're driving, unless you're parked. Inhale, lift the fingers up. Exhale, elbows forward, shoulders down. So we're stretching the shoulders and the back, the forearms. And as always, you'll probably feel it in different areas, especially if you've never done it before. Again, I can hear you out there. I hear things. It's part of being Danish. I can hear what you're saying. Whoa, there's a word right there. Good. Let's do 2 more breaths. In the nose, out the nose. What's your screensaver doing now if you're in an office? Okay. All right, shake it out real quick and then switch sides. Let's go over here. You can see the left side of my profile. There's the AirPod. Left arm forward, right arm underneath. Fists or hands together. We're balancing it out, very important. Hope a truck doesn't come in the driveway. If you've done my videos before, you never know who's gonna stop by when I'm in the driveway. 3 more breaths. Ah, lovely breeze. Love that breeze. Let it filtrate, is that a word? Into your routine. Okay. All right. So many things. Let's finish off with shoulder rolls one more time. Very, very important and unimposing move. Inhale up, exhale back. Unimposing mean even if you're out in public somewhere. You don't want to do a full stretch routine, that's fine. But you can be looking in the cereal section at the market and just do a few of these if you're feeling hunched over, you're feeling imbalanced. Let's do 3 more. All right, this is all upper body. The next one I'm going to film, you'll see it next on the list on this channel, is a full body stretch for people who sit too much during the day and really need to loosen up. All right, shake it out. Wonderful work, my friends. Let me know below, what's your favorite musical artist to listen to when you're stretching? For me, well, first, hit that subscribe button. I love that. This workout helped. Hit the like button. It really helps these videos get more and more in the public eye. And click that notification bell up there so when I upload a new video, you know it. My favorite artist, I go to the gym. I'll do some weights. I'll stretch in the corner in my own little nest. Tim Janis, Janis, I believe. He's a new age composer. Very, very pretty stuff. I was actually just listening to him. He made an autumn mix while I was doing some writing in my office right before I came out here. So check him out, Tim Janis. He's definitely on YouTube and everywhere else. And let me know who you like to listen to. It's Coach Vigue, my friends. I really hope this helped you out. That's what these videos are for. That's what I put the time and effort into. I want to help you out in life. It can be you're training for a marathon or you just want to feel better each day and manage better, because we get stuck. We all get stuck. I get stuck in things. It's so nice to have somebody come along and give you a little lifeline and say, hey, it's okay. Do this, this, and this. I'll do it with you, and things will get better. Things will get better. And they do. God bless you. See you next time.
Who am I? Huh?
Hey, it's Coach Vigue again. You remember me? Let me tell you something. If you enjoyed this video, I have a free gift just for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from the brand new Sean Vigue Fitness app. Now, all you have to do is click the link below, either in the About section or the pinned comment. It'll take you to another page. You put in your email, and boom, that video will be sent to you right away. Ooh.